Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to refer Bigo Live to friends. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Bigo Live. Make sure you have already downloaded Bigo Live on your device. Once you tap on Bigo Live app, it will open up this kind of interface. So here on bottom right corner you can see me icon. Tap on it. It will navigate you to the profile page. Here you can see earn money. Tap on it. Now it will load. Once it is loaded, it will show you this kind of interface. Here you will be seeing invite now. Tap on it and invite your friends through WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And it will refer Bigo Live to friends. So this is how you can refer Bigo Live to your friends. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.